Hello everyone, thank you for checking out this video, and if you'd like a written version, I do have my essay linked in the description as well as the sources used for this if you'd like to check those out as well. So let's get started. The Magna Carta is easily one of the most influential documents in all of Western history. This influence carried not only through British history, but also to America and other countries as well. Essentially, it came about because many barons were beginning to turn on King John, especially after England lost territory to France. A new Archbishop of Canterbury was elected against the king's wishes, which added more tension overall. Nicholas Vincent writes, John refused to accept Langton. The Pope refused to abandon him. The outcome from 1208 to 1213 was a standoff between the church and the state. However, the Pope and the king did eventually reconcile, as both were offended by the Magna Carta. Sidney Painter writes that John probably called for Poitevin and Gascon troops and dispatched messengers to Rome to persuade the Pope to declare the charter invalid. Moreover, the detailed provisions of the Magna Carta were for the most part obsolete when they were written. They dealt with the political system that was rapidly dying, and they served to hasten its end. This all took place on June 15th of 1215 at Runnymede. However, the version that we know of today didn't come around until years later. In fact, the number system that we use today in the Magna Carta was introduced by Sir William Blackstone in 1759. Before that, it wasn't divided into numbers and was simply a single long document. The document discusses things like inheritance, debts, measures, and property. The clauses still in use today are the 1st, 13th, 39th, and 40th. David Carpenter explains some of the most important clauses. Under Chapter 12, the king is not to levy taxation with the common consent of the kingdom. Under Chapter 39, he cannot arrest people or seize their property without judgment from their peers or by the law of the land. Under Chapter 40, he is not to deny, delay, or sell justice. Nicholas Vincent expands on this. Most famously, clauses 39 and 40 of the Charter enunciate a general principle that in England we should describe as the rule of law, or in America, the right of due process. No free man is to be arrested or imprisoned or deceased or outlawed or exiled or in any other way ruined, nor will he go against him or send against him except by the lawful judgment of his peers by the law of the land. If you'd like to hear an alternative history to this, I recommend you read Max Radin's The Myth of the Magna Carta, which I have cited below. Thanks.